This is what we call the eastern savanna. Extended eastern savanna. It's a savanna because it has some trees in there. You can see the big blue is doing really well on the edge here. But what I really am happy about is how well the gray-headed coneflowers are doing in here, along with the false sunflowers. Let's take a walk. We only burned this area one time. This grass right here, we're really happy to see is doing well. That's river oats. It's a great food source, high protein for the quail. You can see we've got some bidens and other flowers about to bloom here. More river oats spread out here at the end. Still have to deal with the sprouts in here. There's ironweed, gray-headed coneflower, coreopsis. Some of that's starting to... We have rattlesnake master as well in here. This is my favorite spot because it's not only cool in here, the flowers did really well in this area. We did have cardinal flowers bloom this year, although they're almost done. We had a couple of those show up finally. We did plant those. But really this has turned into such a neat area. A lot of poison ivy growing up on the trees, but we also have a lot of Virginia. See if I can hold this still here. So we come out the other side of the savanna. You can see, and everything over here as well. All the flowers that made it. And I think this grass is foxtail. Pretty neat. Provides seeds for the wildlife. Pretty neat.